Baby, nasa dulo ka na. Nalulula. Hawa ka mabuti.
Classmate ba sila?
Yan, nalulula. Hindi, pwede dalawa.
Yay! Sumasakit ba yung tiyan mo? Oops. Ay! JM anak! Sorry! Baby ba John? Baka maipit ah. Wala pa ata si Daddy. Hindi sumasagot. Hindi nga sumasagot. Off din yung phone.
JM, there's yan. Jason. Oy! Dirty dyan, Jaden. Anak.
Wow!
Bilis yan.
Teka. Picturean ko kayo. Teka, ang bagal eh. Ala? Isa pa. JM, isa pa.
Taas paa. Eden, taas paa.
Ayaw eh.
Pumasok ka na, Wawaw. Pasok na.
Whoopsie!
Oh, ay, natabi kayo ni Wawaw. Dito ako.
Nagabi naman ang babing mapogi.
I-Uber nyo kaya?
Teka. Effort ka te? Effort?
Effortless.
Sarap naman dito, anak. Baka sarap naman dito.
Yung kamay mo, anak, maipit ah.
Hi! Hello, how's your day? Huh? How's your day, Jaden? It's good? Huh? You enjoyed? You enjoyed studying?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
No.
Huh?
No.
What did you learn? Did you learn how to say A, B, C?
No.
Did you learn how to write?
Nakatanong ng ABC.
What did you do? I saw you a while ago. You went out to the garden. Did you went out to the garden? Did you go out?
Yes or no? Saan kayo nagpunta? Sa fish?
You went out? Bastusi ba? Huh? Huh? Did you go see tilapia? Again? Where did you go? Where did you go? Jaden, where did you go? We saw you a while ago.
No.
It's raining, right? You went out, it's raining.
Yeah.
Oh, where did you go? Saan ka pumunta? Ibig sabihin, where did you go?
There?
Sa?
In?
pond?
In the fish pond? Why? You feed the fish? Wow, did you see Polly again?
Madami